Good morning, children. So, last class already we have discussed what is database, what is DBMS, what are the four main objects, that is table, query, form and reports, and how to create a database, how to start access. So, these all things we have covered last class. So, let us start with the working with the tables. So, once if you create a table, what is record, what is field, you need to know these all things. So, what do you mean by table? So, table is nothing but that is the database where it stores all the database, where it stores all the information here. So here in a table we have, it is made up of fields and records. Fields are nothing but columns and records are nothing but rows here. So the related fields for individual person, place or thing make up a single record which is being interrelated to one another. So in a table you have a record and columns will be having the same type of data. For example, roll number. So roll numbers, that will be in numbers, so it is having only the same type of data, that is columns, that are called as fields here. So we can take many examples. For example, medical shops or malls, hospitals, schools, everywhere the database is being maintained, the related information is being maintained. So here one table is being given, wherein it has given that is admission number, first name, last name, date of birth, class, address. So there is a one table wherein you can see now, that is called as records. So if I say one record, it is not only a single data or a single entity here. Record is nothing but interrelated data. So if I take that is admission number, first name, last name, date of birth, class and address. So here one record means 101 Ananya Divakar 0202 2005 fourth class address. So this is one particular record. Fields are nothing but here admission number. So below the admission number, that is the heading wherein you will be having all the details. So admission number, it will be number. First name, that will be the text. Below that the related information is given, that is the fields here. Same thing with goes with the last name, date of birth, class and address. So children, whenever we are maintaining the table, the related information should be entered in that with the same type of data. So for creating a table, when you open MS Access, so last class I already have explained how to open MS Access, that is start, all programs, MS Office, MS Access. When you open MS Access, you will be getting a blank database and you have to write one database name, then create option, the database will be created. So school is the database. For example, under that we are creating many tables such as fees, student marks, these all things, many tables you can create under that particular school database. So here for creating table we have two ways. First thing, by using data sheet view you can create. The other thing is by using design view. So whatever the last class we have seen, that is the data sheet view. So in data sheet view, directly you can see the data, you can enter the data directly without entering the data type, without mentioning the data type. Directly, that is also the way you can create a table. Later on you can check with the fields also. Okay children, and in data sheet view you can rename, you can give other field names also, you can add the fields also, you can change the information also. So that is the data sheet view. So data sheet view, what it does, it will allow the user to create a table by entering data into it. So next one is design view. Design view is nothing but wherein you are entering the data with its data types. So you will be having the data types. So data type is nothing but the type of data a variable or a field can hold. For example, roll number. What is the data type? That is compulsory, that is a number. Name, that is text. So there are many kinds of database, and in MS Access, that is we have 7 data types. So data type of a field enables you to specify the type of data it contains. So for example, text data type for its fields can contain text such as names. Number data types, same thing goes with the numbers, telephone numbers for example. So there is a table you can see here children, that is auto number. The auto number data type stores an automatically generated number starting from 1 to each record in a database. When you enter the database in a data sheet view, automatically the auto number will be entered. So next one we have text, number, currency, date and time, yes or no, memo. So text is nothing but alphanumeric characters, but it including spaces and special characters. But namely the text is nothing but the words here. First name, for example, your name, student name. So that is text here. So next one, number. It takes only numeric values like integer, decimals, etc. Next one is currency. Suppose if you are entering the data, that is for example school fees, it will be in number, but it should be in a currency. Salary, so that is currency again. So book price, so suppose that is a currency again. So date and time, so date of birth, student's date of birth, if you are entering compulsory you can take this date and time, that is a data type again here. So which includes the automatic, that is calendar feature here. You can select the date, month and year. So next one we have yes or no, that is true or false or on or off. So I will give you one example as suppose if a student is traveling by bus, yes or no. So that is true or false. You can take it as either this or that way. So last one is memo. Memo is that is long block of alphanumeric text. Suppose if you are saving the address, if you are entering the address, so address includes both number as well as here text. So we are taking memo. So next one, children, creating a table in design view. So this is what you can see here on the screen. So designing, when you click on this one, you'll click on view option on the top, you'll be having data sheet and design view. So click on design view. So it will ask you to save the table name. So for example, I will take student, school database. I have to create in that student table I can create. So here you can see here first option, that is data sheet. Then in that second one is design view. In that it is asking for table here. So next one we have, it is asking for a table name here. Either you can save the table 1 itself or else you can give it as a student. So I will be taking it as students here, children. So here you can see in the next screen, that is table name, students. Then below that the design view, it has come. When you click OK option, the design view has come. So here one by one you need to enter the fields here. So in a table, simple table, so if I take for student details, for a school I'll take roll number, name, class, division. So I'll take it as roll number, and auto number, it is their data type. There you will be getting a arrow mark wherein you can select the various, all these 7 data types. I'll take it as roll number, then I'll type below that roll number, I'll type name, then beside that I'll take it as text, same thing as class, then number, then division, then text I'll take. So after this one it will be saved. So here they have given one example for creating a table. They have designed for this particular table, that is field names they have taken as admission number, so obviously number, first name, that is text, last name, text, date of birth, date and time, class, text, address, memo, transport, yes or no. So children, beside that we have one more column, that is description. Either you can leave that and you can, or also you can write, that is optional here. So after that it is been created here in that particular table will be created in the design view. So we have some basic rules to form a field name in Access. So it can contain a maximum of 64 characters. So spaces are allowed there. It can contain